Is real estate a gamble? Real estate can be one of the most rewarding ways to build wealth, and not the fun kind, the Vegas kind. More like rolling the dice and hoping for the best. I've watched people make millions, and I've also watched people spend tens of thousands of dollars and lose badly. It's about understanding the uncertainty and managing it before it manages you. We'll break down why real estate feels risky and how to spot hidden dangers, and most importantly, how to handle them so you can feel confident and make smart investments. The myth versus the reality of real estate. Let's start by busting down the myth. That's the real estate safeguard, a guaranteed investment. Sure, the media loves showing people flipping houses and making rich off of one or two homes. But here's the thing, that's really real. And the show is there for likes. You're not going to hit the home run on the first deal. It's going to take several. I want you to think about it this way. But in 3 months, the roof leaks. Then the tenant moves out unexpectedly, and suddenly you're paying the mortgage and the repairs out of pocket. This happens so much more often than you think. Real estate isn't magic. It's strategy, timing, and managing risk. Understanding the risks. Now let's talk about why real estate feels like gambling. There are 4 main types of risk that you need to know about. Number 1, the market risk. Prices go up, prices go down. Even in hot markets, timing is everything. Buying at the wrong moment can tie up your money for years. Number 2, liquidity risk. Unlike stocks, you can't sell your home overnight, which you could. If you need cash, you may have to sell at a loss or wait for months. Number 3, operational risk. Owning a property isn't just collecting rent. There's maintenance, repairs, tenant turnover, insurance, property taxes, all adding uncertainty. Number 4, external risk. Interest rates, local regulations, neighborhood changes, and natural disasters. One of recent is certain cities, they're banning Airbnb. So if you have 15 to 20 Airbnb properties in certain cities where they rule out Airbnb, that might hurt you for a while. Some of these factors are beyond your control. Think about the last property you saw that seemed perfect. Could any of these risks affected it? Probably. That's why planning is everything. How smart investors handle uncertainty, here's where most people fail. They treat real estate like a lottery ticket. Smart investors don't. They plan, they prepare, and they manage risk like pros. Step 1, research and due diligence. Know the neighborhood, market trends, and property history. Every piece of knowledge reduces your risk. Again, every piece of knowledge reduces your risk. Step number 2, the financial buffer. Always have extra cash to cover repairs, vacancies, and unexpected costs. You will see this. If something goes wrong, your buffer keeps you afloat. Step 3, diversification. Do not put all your money in one property or one type of real estate. Mix residential, commercial, and maybe REITs. If you can get to private equity, get into private equity. It spreads the risk. Step 4, long-term perspective. Real estate isn't get rich quick. Wealth comes over years through careful planning and compounding. Step 5, mindset. The most important part, you can't control everything, but you can control your preparation, decision-making, and how to respond when things go wrong. Mindset and strategy deep dive. The key difference between those who fail and those who succeed is mindset. Gambling means hoping for luck. Investing means preparing for uncertainty. You can't control interest rates. We'd love to, but we can't. You can't control your research, cash reserves, property selection. That's going to go up and down. You can't control tenants moving out. We wish we could. You can't control screening processes. Focus on what you can control. That's how uncertainty becomes manageable. So is real estate a gamble? Only if you treat it like one. Educate yourself, plan carefully, and prepare for uncertainty. And it becomes one of the most powerful tools in building wealth. Start small, plan smart, and never invest blindly. Treat real estate like a strategy, not like a lottery ticket. And if you want to take the guesswork out of your next property move, start analyzing the market, budget, look at risk tolerance, make a plan, and then take action. It's strategy, preparation, and mindset. Master those, and the so-called gamble disappears.